Yeah, I saw that. I did see it, look. It's down on the floor now. Was that you? Yes, I'm still here. Mona, what do you want? What? Okay, car keys. Alright. What do you want? You show me what you want, and I will give it to you. What is it? What? Dreamies? Yeah, it sounds like Dreamies. Go on then. Okay. Alright. Give you just two. These ones? What these ones? But those ones, okay. In fact, I just want to make sure that's what you want. Okay. Both ones, right. Okay. No problem. What are you doing? They're yours. No, they're mine. Okay, thank you. Right, now we're going to take them off. Now, don't be impatient, okay? Right, so I'm going to. How many do you want of these exactly? Two? Two, okay? Okay. So just. What are you doing?